I'm bored, what should I do? I know. I'm going to clone out of Renamon. Luckily I stole a sample of his map. Now time to put the map in the machine. Yes, I made Robot Chicken Renamon. And will you help me ruin people's childhoods of Digimon tamers?
Yes. I will do anything to get into college.
Good, let's team up and hurt people together.
Robot Chicken Optimus Prime. How dare you cause trouble with Robot Chicken Counterpart? Out of Renamon. That's it. You are grounded until stop hurting people. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Oh my god. My Robot Chicken Counterpart. How dare you cause trouble with Robot Chicken? Optimus Prime. That's it. You are grounded until stop hurting people. Go upstairs to your room right now.